name is Robert Pastor. This is a 27 F-150 cabin filter replacement. You need the FP79. First, open glove compartment. Pull off this little rubber cap. Comes right out. With a 7mm, take out one bolt, take out the second bolt, and you're going to gently grab under here and pull so it pops out pretty easily. Be careful. You gotta unhook this light switch right here. Just pull it out. And inside here you have a cover for the cabin filter. Just pull on each side. It comes right off. Pull out the old cabin filter. The flange is up. And the side flange is up. Place it right back in. Putting the cap back on. It's got two pieces on the bottom that need to go in as well. Press that on. This, before you press it back in, make sure you reattach the light. Line it up. Press it in. Make sure the bottom is flush. You're going to take some screws. Very gently replace them in. Be careful not to break this piece. It's very fragile. Put the plastic piece back over. And